Rihanna and her two sons, Riot and RZA in New York having a family time. We can't believe Rihanna is now a mother of two. She is a billionaire. The paparazzi work hard for blogs to have news about celebrities to post. These pictures from Rihanna having a very good family time. ASAPRocky still dressing great during the New York City heatwave is still the ASAPRocky thing ever. Right after Rihanna had a family time with her children, she met up with her baby daddy Rocky. All the family are in New York City. Ciara, Normani, Kelly Rowland, Victoria Monet, and Vanessa Bryant linked up in New York for a performance and an award presentation. Snoop Dogg, his son and two beautiful granddaughters stunned in this picture. This got people ask of his other children that he denied. Happy birthday to Hollywood actor David Henry. He turned 35 years old. Help us wish him a good happy birthday. Chris Brown and his father. Good to see his real father in pictures. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more entertainment news.